What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie, and my channel is all about finding you ways to get free through passive income rather than working 40 hours a week for somebody else that you don't really like. And that's what my channel is about, finding you ways to make that happen so that you can get free and live the life that you want to live. If that sounds good to you, then click subscribe and follow my channel for more ways to do that. Let's get right into this one today. What are we talking about? The Affiliate Tube Success Academy. I've made a longer complete review on this course in the past, but this one's just a shorter one if you just want the quick need to know items. The number one problem that people have who start out trying to make money online is that they can't get traffic. And they can't get traffic because a lot of these courses, such as affiliate marketing, lead generation, drop shipping, e-commerce stores, they teach you the basics of those, but they don't teach you how to get traffic. You can set up any of those online businesses, but if you don't have traffic, you are not going to make money in any of those. And that's the problem that I keep seeing with these courses that gurus are teaching, is they're showing you all the technical steps of how to do these online businesses, but they're leaving out the traffic part. That's why celebrities and influencers online can make millions of dollars no matter what they're talking about, because they have millions and millions of followers. They have tons and tons of traffic. So how are you supposed to get traffic if you're a complete beginner? Usually the way that they show you how to do that is through paid advertising. So spending thousands and thousands of dollars on Facebook ads or YouTube ads in order to get more people to see. So all you have to do is write a big fat check every month to pay for a bunch of ads, right? Yeah. Let me do that. I'm a complete beginner trying to find a way to make money online. I can't afford to spend a whole bunch of money on ads, right? Affiliate Tube Success Academy has found the solution to both of those problems. Stick around through the entire video to find out what I'm talking about. It is a complete affiliate marketing tutorial that teaches you high-ticket affiliate marketing through YouTube. You might be thinking, I don't want to make YouTube videos and show my face and use my voice. Like, I'm shy. I don't know how to make videos. With this program, you don't have to show your face or use your voice. Affiliate Tube Success Academy also teaches you one little known loophole to rank #1 on Google within minutes without spending money on paid ads. You don't have to spend a dime. And it works. I have done it. It works every time. I come up #1 on Google search immediately, not 24 hours later. Immediately. If you can rank #1 on a Google search, that is traffic. You can sell anything to anyone. Google has billions and billions of people searching things every single day. That is traffic gold. So who was it created by, and can you trust them? His name is Paul Murphy, and he is a legit dude that built his passive income business from the ground up. He doesn't fill you with fluff and hype. He doesn't have a bunch of shirtless photos in front of a Lamborghini and on jet airplanes. He just tells you exactly what he did to build his passive income business, and then he gives you the exact same steps. So what's different about this than every other program you've seen online? He teaches you traffic first. He teaches you how to get traffic. He teaches you how to rank #1 on Google and get yourself in front of people first. Then he teaches you the affiliate marketing side of it. Nobody else I've seen reverse engineers it like this. This is what everyone should be doing, but nobody else is doing this. He teaches you how to get traffic first, how to get yourself in front of everyone. And now that you're in front of everyone, you can sell whatever you want. You could literally sell anything. The last thing I want to say about this program is the cost. It's going to be out of some people's price range. However, I will say that it's probably less than the cost of your last cell phone. So it really just depends on what your priorities are and what you want to invest your time and money into. I'm going to link the full webinar in my description below. I recommend that you watch the entire thing. Some people don't feel like they have time to watch another webinar because they've already watched a ton of them. If that's the case, I do understand, but again, priorities. I guarantee that you've watched several hours of Netflix in the last couple weeks. So if you don't have an hour and a half to spend on watching a webinar that could help you to make money online passively, then just don't watch it. It's not for you anyways. However, I do highly recommend that you watch the full webinar and that you make an informed decision at the end of it. I highly recommend this program. It's exactly the same technique that I'm using to make passive income online right now, every single month. And I only work on it a couple hours per week. I hope you enjoyed this updated, shortened version of my review, and I hope that you choose today to go out and get free.